So this is a third brake light on a extreme single cab. So you have to take out these two little bolts for this. Take out this cover. Then you have to take out two bolts that are right here and another one right here. You have to pull this down a little bit. Get this trim part down a little bit. This one. And then the outside. You take out the regular cover. Two, I think they're Torx bolts or screws. Then you take off, the two and the inside. Then you'll be able to take out this easily. And then you expose your wires and